Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to unbox the 3D pen that I have ordered. Yay, I'm so excited. Oh, I have opened it. Yay. Wow, it's so good. I wonder what's the color inside of the 3D pen. It's amazing. It's low heat plastic, USB charger, no hot parts, built-in battery and 3D drawing. That's what is written in the box. 3D pen, 3D drawing pen. So let's open it and see what's the cool things. Wow, it's so cool. These are the wires, color pink and the color black and the color yellow, and the charger is the color white. Wow. Oh, and the main thing, the 3D pen, and it's in the color violet. Wow. I don't know how to use it. It's my first time using it. So, wow, it's so amazing. I love it. Wow. And there's a robot. I think I can make it. Let's see. Oh, and here we have another thing in the box inside. There's a pin when it dries off. There's an instruction book and there is a cheating page. There are lots of pages like watch, car, glass, watermelon, cone, flower, and Christmas tree and a butterfly. Wow! So in the next video, I will show you what we make with it. So stay tuned. Bye!